Hello friends, welcome to day 17 of my data analytics learning journey. In the last video, I learned about percentiles, which help us understand the position of data. But today I learned something very practical that is used in real business situations, which is frequency. If you want to analyze any data, the first step is to understand how often value occurs. That's where frequency comes in. Frequency simply means how many times a value appears in a data set. Let's understand this with a real example. Imagine you are managing a customer support team in a company. Every day, customers raise complaints about billing issues, delivery delays, or product problems. You track the number of complaints received each day for 1 week. Here is the data. On day 1, there were no complaints. On day 2, there was one complaint. On day 3, again one complaint. On day 4, there were two complaints. And on day 5, again two complaints. On day 6, there were two complaints. And lastly, on day 7, there were three complaints. Now, instead of looking at each day separately, we organize this data. Frequency tells us how many times each value appears. So we count 0 complaints happen one time, 1 complaint happen 2 times, 2 complaints happen 3 times, 3 complaints happen one time. This gives a clear picture. We can immediately see that most days had 2 complaints. Now let's go one step deeper, which is relative frequency. Relative frequency tells us the percentage. Out of 7 days, 3 days had 2 complaints. So 3 divided by 7 is about 43%. This means almost half of the week the company received 2 complaints per day. And another type of frequency, that is cumulative frequency. Cumulative means adding step by step. We start from the lowest value. For 0 complaints, total is 1. Up to 1 complaint, total becomes 3. Up to 2 complaints, total becomes 6. And up to 3 complaints, total becomes 7. This helps us understand the situation better. For example, when cumulative frequency is 6 at 2 complaints, it means for 6 out of 7 days, the company received 2 or fewer complaints. This shows that most days the complaint level is under control. Now let's look at another scenario. Instead of number of complaints, we analyze types of complaints. Customers reported billing errors, late delivery, product damage, and payment issues. When we count, we find that billing errors happen most frequently. This tells that company exactly where the problem is, so they can focus on fixing billing issues first. This is how frequency help in real business decisions. Frequency shows count, relative frequency shows percentage, and cumulative frequency shows total up to a point. If you need today's notes, come and DM me. Follow my journey as I learn data analytics step by step. Thank you for watching.